Have you ever been coding away only to hit a wall because your code just isn't working? It's frustrating, right? If you've encountered the error, property body does not exist on type request, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this issue and get you back on track. I totally understand how annoying it is when you expect your code to work, but it just doesn't. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this issue, especially when working with TypeScript and Express. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my rec variable of request type have no IntelliSense for the property body?" They were confused and frustrated, and I bet many of you can relate. Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this? The issue often arises from missing or incorrect type definitions in TypeScript. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on and how to fix it. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue with the body property not being recognized, the user should first ensure that they have the necessary TypeScript types installed for Express. This can be done by installing the @types/express package. Next, the user should check their TypeScript configuration file, known as tsconfig.json. They need to ensure that the strict option is set to false, or that they have the ES module interop option enabled. After adjusting the TypeScript settings, the user should also make sure to parse the request body correctly. This can be done by using middleware like Express.js to handle JSON payloads. Finally, the user can now access the body property on the rec variable without any issues. They should test their code to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. Fun fact, did you know that TypeScript was developed by Microsoft to help developers catch errors early? It's like having a safety net while coding. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests using the body parser package, which was separated from Express version 4. They recommend importing body parser and using it to parse the request body. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a different approach to resolving the issue with the body property. Instead of using the command typings install express save dev, they recommend using npm install @typings express save dev. This change allowed them to access read.body successfully. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your type definitions up to date and double-check your middleware setup. This can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to resolve the property body does not exist on type request error. Remember, keeping your types and middleware in check is key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips. And don't miss our next video on advanced TypeScript techniques.